Halo semuanya, kembali lagi di channel Arilani Official. Di video ini, saya akan membagikan 3 kode penukaran Higgs domino 1 bit per kodenya. Saya sarankan kepada kalian semua untuk menonton video ini sampai selesai, agar paham dan tidak salah paham atas penjelasan saya. Tentunya kalian semua sudah tahu kalau setelah menukarkan kodenya, maka akan ada bonus yang didapatkan, yaitu chip. Untuk bermain game Higgs domino, kita harus punya chip, agar bisa bermain di segala slot dalam game ini. Banyak para slotter rela top up, agar bisa bermain game ini. Padahal ada cara untuk dapat chip secara gratis yang disediakan oleh Lian setiap hari. Chip gratisnya berupa dari sedekah 2M harian, mengikuti event yang diadakan Lian, kode penukaran, dan masih banyak lainnya. Kode penukaran Higgs domino berbatas jumlah klaim yang kalau jumlah klaimnya sudah mencapai batas, maka kode tersebut tidak akan berlaku lagi. Jika kalian gagal dapat chip dari kode penukaran yang dibagikan dalam video ini, jangan khawatir ya guys, karena di channel ini sering mengadakan giveaway untuk subscriber semua. Saya sengaja sering mengadakan giveaway, karena kalau gagal menukarkan kodenya, kalian masih punya kesempatan untuk dapat chip dari giveaway yang saya adakan dalam channel ini. Syarat ikut giveaway di channel ini gampang kok guys. Subscribe channel ini, like videonya, dan share ke sosial media kalian, dan jangan lupa juga komen ID kalian sertakan juga namanya. Di video ini, saya mengadakan giveaway 4 bit untuk 4 orang komentar yang beruntung diacak secara random. Tonton video ini sampai selesai, agar komentar kalian tidak hilang, karena dianggap spam oleh pihak YouTube. Oke guys, kalau sudah dilakukan, mari kita lanjut ke kode penukarannya. 3 kode penukaran Higgs domino akan muncul di bawah ini. Jangan sampai ada yang salah atau ketinggalan. Sebab jika ada yang salah satu huruf atau satu angka, maka kode tersebut tidak akan bisa digunakan, karena ada kesalahan pada kodenya. Perhatikan baik-baik ya guys.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own.
Oke guys, itulah 3 kode penukaran hits domino. Selamat mencoba dan semoga beruntung. Pemenang giveaway komentar yang beruntung cek masing-masing ya guys.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. Buat yang belum beruntung, jangan berkecil hati ya. Giveaway ini diacak secara random. Saya tidak ada pilih kasih kepada siapapun. Oke guys, videonya sampai di sini. Jangan lupa support kanal ini dengan cara like, comment, share, dan subscribe. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.